Okay, I'm here guys with the official candidate of Mr. World Philippines. Pakilala ka po.
So hi, my name is Christopher Alexei Cruz. You may call me Alex. So I'm representing the city of Manila.
Okay, only one question. Why you should be the next Mr. World Philippines 2026?
So I believe that everyone can achieve on that art to represent something and become bigger things. But for me, I believe that I can achieve a lot more and not just be one-dimensional. I believe that again, as a modern day guy, you can be a well-rounded guy in terms of achieving a lot of things and goals. So parang your mind is just a boundary in terms of achieving your goals, that you can really achieve a lot once you just put your mind to it.
Okay, please invite them to support you on your social media and regarding the coronation night.
Sige. So hi everyone, so I'm inviting you to support me on my journey to Mr. World. Follow me also on my Instagram, it's Alexei Cruz, so Alex EI then Cruz. So thank you.
Ayun, pasample naman ng iyong self-introduction.
So,
Kunwari nasa final coronation night na kayo. Go.
Philippines na ba agad?
Okay.
Okay, so wait, sorry, not my name is Christopher Alexei Cruz from the city of Manila.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, thank you.